Hey there, YouTube friends and subscribers. Yep, it's been a while since I made some reviews on the Blizzard treats. But now, here's one of the very yummy flavors. It's called the Royal Ultimate Choco Brownie Blizzard. See, look. It's made out of chocolate brownies with some chocolate chunks and some creamy vanilla soft serve. And yeah, it's very tasty. It's a little melty, but it's okay. That's just the way these ice cream treats really are sometimes. Anyways, let's have a taste. Mmm. Delicious. It tastes like chocolate brownies. Sometimes it tastes like chocolate cake. So yeah, I love this flavor. I highly recommend it. Try this flavor. It's really yummy. So anyways, guys, I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.